Good morning, student. Currently, we are doing your chapter number 9. In the previous video, we have completed your kind of a temperate grassland. First type of a temperate grassland, that was your prairies, and which was located in your North America. Now, we have a second type of a temperate grasslands. Second type of a temperate grasslands, which was named as Wells. Okay, what's his name? Wells, and it was located in your South Africa. Okay, in a region of Africa continent. Suppose that this is your Africa continent. So in this area, okay, in this area, your wells are situated. Okay, wells की locations ये है. So your wells, due to the you will see that area, your wells are covered in a three side by the water. That water is from Indian Ocean. Okay, due to the Indian Ocean, the temperature in this region, your temperature will become moderate. Where otherwise you know that Africa is one of the hottest continent. Africa क्या है? सबसे ज़्यादा गर्म continent है. But in Africa, your wells are coming in the category of temperate. Is this because in this region where your wells are situated, that country is your South Africa. Okay, in Africa there is one country, that is South Africa, in which you will find wells. Okay, the grassland which name is wells, and it was covered, you can say that it was covered by on the three sides with the Indian Ocean. So the ocean's water make their temperature moderate. Okay, and this region is receiving a moderate level of rainfall as well as that because it's come in the category of your temperates. Okay, इसलिए ये temperate की category में है. So now come to the wells. Okay, the grassland which we are finding in a South African region, that wells which is named as your wells, and the wells which are derived from your Dutch meaning. Okay, there is a one country which does. Okay, Dutch language. In a language like your Hindi, there is also one language, that is your Dutch. So in a Welsh Dutch meaning was field. Field इसका मतलब है मैदान. So आपको already know we are talking about the grasslands, and grasslands are the field of a grass. ये तो इसीलिए इसका नाम क्या है? Dutch meaning है field. Okay, so now come to the structure of well. Well का geographical structure कैसा है? So you will see that the field of a well are generally in the form of plateau. Means they are highly elevated. They are slightly elevated from the ground. Okay, their structure is, they are kind in the form of a plateau. Okay, and the height. The height of a beds can be varies from 600 meter to 1100 meter. Okay, but in a northeast part, suppose that this is east, west, north, south. So this region, northeastern part, one of the highest elevated part of beds is in your northeastern part. That height is your from the sea level, its height is 1600 meter. Okay, so this was the beds structure. Geographical structure is kind of a plateau. It is a kind of a plateau. Okay, means it was slightly elevated from the ground, and now it was covered with the grass. Okay, so that is the structure of your well. Well का geographical structure ऐसा है. So in a west, one of the most popular desert in your world, that is your Kalahari Desert. Kalahari Desert was situated in the west side of Wales. Wales की west direction में इधर साइड पे you will find your Kalahari Desert as well as. Okay, and Wales, you can say the water receiving या water availability was present in Wales due to the two major river, that is your Limpopo and Orange River and their tributaries. So one of the prominent river in this region are your Limpopo and your Orange River. Okay, this is all about their geographical condition. कैसी उसका structure है. Now come to the second factor, that is climate of wells. Okay, Climates, you will find the climate slightly, which we have discussed in earlier, that it is covered by the water, so its climate is moderate. Okay, so it was covered due to the presence of a Indian Ocean into the three sides. Its climate, its temperature become moderate, and they were receiving the moderate temperature, and this was their coolest. They will find the temperature in a summer, you will find maximum 20°C temperature. Okay, and your winter season are coldest season. Okay, सबसे ठंडे सीजन है विंटर के. In a winter you will find 5 to 10 degree centigrade temperature in this area. Okay, and one of the coolest month in world, that is your जुलाई. ओके, जुलाई में आपको सबसे ठंडे मौसम का सबसे ठंडा मंथ आपका कौन सा है? जुलाई है. एंड from means you will see that in India in a July month we are receiving rainfall, so we are monsoon season. July was a monsoon season in India, and in July season birds in a South Africa that is receiving coolest month, means they are receiving winter season here. Okay, so they are opposite from us, and we will talk about their rainfall. They receive rainfall, means बारिश होती है इनकी समर मंथ से. During the summer month they will receive the rainfall, and a winter month there will be a less amount of a rainfall. Winter में rainfall बहुत कम होगी, and their summer season started from November to February. Okay, in which season in India we are receiving November to February winter season, and they are receiving summer season. Okay, so now this is their climatical conditions. Now come to the peoples and their daily activities. What kind of activities they are doing for their livelihoods? अपने जीने के लिए वो कैसी activities करते हैं? So you will see that the rainfall is not that much here. Okay, so lands are also not fertile due to the plateau. You will find the soil of a plateau is not that much fertile. So due to the less fertility of a soil, the agriculture production is not that much in that area. Okay, बेल्ट्स में आपका agriculture production उतना high नहीं है, because soil is not that much fertile, and also the water and rainfall level is not that much good here. Okay, in those regions somewhere we will find a little bit of water availability, so those area we will conduct the agriculture activities. Okay, now one of the famous you can say the famous activity is there, cattle rearing and mining. Okay, you know that in a plateau is filled with your mining. You will find a lot of mines. आपकी खाने जो खान कहते हैं वो आपको माइंस में बहुत ज़्यादा मिलेंगी. So belts are the structure of a plateau, so you will find a numbers of a mine like your coal, iron, and one of the diamond, even diamond and gold mining. Okay, the South Africa, the Veld region is very famous for gold and diamond mining as well as. Okay, apart from iron and coal, they are two things, gold and diamond mining. This is the golds का आपका घर है. आपका जो बेल्ट्स में जो जोहान्सबर्ग है, देयर इज अ वन सिटी दैट इज योर जोहान्सबर्ग, इन विच यू विल फाइंड द नंबर्स ऑफ गोल्ड माइन. सो ये आपका क्या है, वर्ल्ड का गोल्ड है, गोल्ड सेंटर है किसका? जोहान्सबर्ग आपका. ओके, so now agriculture productions are like mainly agriculture production are your maize, wheat, barley, etc. Okay, ये सब आपके agriculture production है. Somewhere you will grow your crash crops. Crash crop means like your cotton. Okay, which you will for further import and export purpose we are using. This is your using for eating purpose, and this is for your business purpose. Okay, cash crop. So this is all about your birds and their geographical and their people, about their geographical condition, their climatical condition, and the livelihood of the people. I hope you understand that video very much.